Welcome to my airport channel. I'm your airport walker, and today I would like to show you the way from the B non-Schengen area to the A Schengen area. It's the fastest way. We start at gate B43. Attention, this bus option is available until 2 p.m. When do you think my channel is helpful for you? Then subscribe please. All right. You can also use the elevator.
Terminal 1?
That is a line for the bus. Now we go through passport control. See you again afterwards. After the passport control, follow the duty free. Now turn left through the duty free. My video is about to end and I wish you a good journey. If you go right, you will come to the gates A50 till A69. If you go left, you will come to the gates A1 till A42.